Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Watch to Strava. So first we're going to go to Strava app. Then we're going to click on the accounts button on the top left corner. Then we're going to click on settings again. Then we're going to click on manage apps and devices. Then as you can see there is connect a new device to Strava option. So then we're going to click on the Samsung option here since we're going to connect our Samsung Watch. We're going to see the instructions. So basically you can't do it from a Strava app on an iOS, so you need to go to a Samsung and open the Samsung Health app. So we're going to do that now. So once we open the app, we're going to go to my page, then click on the three dots on the top right corner, then on settings. Then while we scroll down, we're going to see services. Then click on the Strava icon. Then we're going to log in with our Strava account. Then we're ready to use. So now it's going to link our Samsung Watch to our Strava account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.